Hello everybody, and I am Slesha Gupta back here on my channel Junior Coder. And today I'm going to tell you that how can you improve your typing speed so that you can type faster. Typing fast is a very important skill that we need today. Maybe as a programmer or even as a general person, we must have a good typing speed so that we can type faster, so that our work becomes more easier and we can save our time. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is first we need to check that what is our present typing speed. So for that, I will be recommending you 2 to 3 online softwares which you can use to check your typing speed, or what we say is words per minute, WPM. You can check it first, and then only you can see that what are the key areas where you need to focus on and how much do you need to improve. So the first one is, like, I have already tagged them in my tab, but I'll be sharing the link with you so that you can go straight forward to them. And if you are not comfortable with them, you need to see some other softwares. On Chrome you can simply write typing speed test, and you will find thousands of links over there with with many websites. So let's get started. So directly it gets started. You will see a screen from here. You can start typing. So I will recommend you that the first thing while doing it is that don't rush, and don't worry about typing fast, but you need to focus more on your accuracy. So here it shows both your accuracy score uh, and your words per minute, how much are you typing. So like this you can type, and you can check what's your word per minute. And this was the first software, and the second is this one. So over here it's the same. You need to type the quick paragraphs, and you can check how much is your typing speed. And here a timing is going on because I have checked I have clicked the option for 1 minute. I need to check my typing speed. You can do it for 5 minutes as well. So that's how you can check your typing speed. Now the second thing is that now once you have checked your speed, now you need to see that what is the speed. If it's less, like it is assumed that an ideal speed is 40 words per minute, or around that. You must have at least that, so that it's an ideal one. So what you can do is, if you're having your speed less than that, first you need to focus on accuracy, that you are typing the correct words, and after that you can go to your speed. So first is focus on accuracy. Second is that on your keyboard, if you'll see, you will be having the F and J keys, and there will be a sort of a you will see a mark on them when you will check it properly on both these keys. So you need to place your left hand towards the F and your right hand towards J. Okay, let's check how you can do it. So I'll be opening a virtual keyboard so that you can also check that how can you do it. So we are over here, there are no marks given, but on your keyboard if you'll check, you will find the marks. So you need to keep your right hand over F and your left hand over J. No, I'm sorry, over J your right and over F your left hand, and then this whole area you will be covering with your left hand, and this area you will be covering with your right hand. So that's how you need to type on the keyboard. You have to use both your hands. so that you can type faster. And last but not the least, the last thing which you need to focus on is you should use keyboard shortcuts, so that you can type faster, and you can improve your speed as well, because keyboard shortcuts are a small and a smart and a quick and easy way to finish up your work, and to use your tools more effectively. So that's how you can do it, and I hope that today's video was helpful. And if you're having any doubts regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer your question. And that's all for today, and thanks for watching.